I love the hustle. Yeah, I love the hustle.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Jocelyn and Chanel, and I have my lovely co-host, my niece, Carly. Hi! Alright. She's gonna be helping me make today's dish, which is gonna be vegan jackfruit pulled pork sandwiches. So hope you guys enjoy it. And actually, I got a surprise. She's gonna be the one cooking it. I'm just gonna walk her through it because it's literally that easy. A 10-year-old can make it. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready, dog? Found it. Alright, yeah, so what you're gonna do, get the meat of this out.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you how to do that.
Okay.
We're gonna cut this onion. You only need half of an onion, okay?
Oh wait. Okay, so we have some barbecue sauce, some red onion, well basically purple, a knife, garlic, and 2 jalapenos, and then lettuce and a jackfruit.
Yep. Boom.
Ready? Oh my Instagram. Carly_yes dancer.
Don't drop it. You wash your hands?
Yes, I know to the bathroom. I don't think I was supposed to say that.
What, that you went to the bathroom or you washed your hands?
That I went to the bathroom.
Well, I mean, like, everyone goes to the bathroom.
Well, yeah.
If you don't go to the bathroom,
You gotta cut this part out,
yeah,
right?
okay. I'm putting it in the video since. Bless you, Hendrix. You just put bathroom like that. You want me?
Yeah.
Oh, you just gonna leave in the middle of recording? You want me to pause it because like they gonna see you walk. You know what? She gonna use the bathroom. I'm gonna get all the meat out of this and then she'll be back.
Okay.
Wash your hands. Alright guys, so she's back from the bathroom and she actually did wash her hands, so she didn't lie. So what we're gonna do right now is I did a little mixture of like a pinch of smoked paprika, cumin, and salt and pepper. And we're gonna throw it on top of the jackfruit while we cut our vegetables so the flavors can start to absorb. So co-host, you wanna throw that on there?
Just do this.
Just yep. Yep. And mix it up with the tongs. Yep. 1 second, we'll be right back.
Okay, guys. So we're back. So I rinsed it off and stuff. So now I'm gonna mix it.
And we're gonna cut the vegetables. Guys, if she cut her finger off, it's not my fault.
What?
Go ahead. You're scaring me. I'm gonna dice these.
It's okay.
You know where the hottest part of a jalapeno is?
The back.
You see it? You know what makes a jalapeno hot? These seeds right here. Wanna try it?
I guess so.
I'm gonna bite into it.
Not so hot.
Not too hot? You wanna eat a raw jalapeno then?
So.
Oh, let's give one a few seeds in it. Don't eat that.
Oh.
What's wrong? What are you going through? It's hot.
It's hot.
You said it wasn't hot.
It's hot.
When did it get hot?
The jalapeno is hot. Oh my god. That's water when you water.
Yes, it was hot. That's hilarious, guys.
It was not the seat though. The seat wasn't that hot.
So, you know how to make half moons?
Come. Yeah.
half moves is just cut it, slice it, and then cut it in half. That's it.
Okay.
Actually do this one because this one's bigger, and I want you to cut your finger off.
Okay, so like cut it this. Or,
You can do it like that. So now you're gonna just cut these in half. So
oh, okay.
like that, okay?
Mhm.
All right.
I'm gonna start crying.
Oh, you think about when you're gonna leave here? I know.
Yeah. I don't want to leave, but I have to.
Can you please watch your finger? Don't know.
I got it.
Carly, your finger. I can literally see your finger. Let me cut this. Let me cut this.
It is okay.
I don't have kids for this reason.
It is okay. I did. My eyes burning. I'm gonna cry.
Jeez, oh, all right. Should probably be enough onions, honestly.
I'm good. I'm good.
You good? You go to.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm seeing that I almost had a heart attack from the onions and jalapenos. I'm gonna personally just mince the garlic. My nerves is way too bad for that. Mouth so hot.
Yes. Don't cut your finger.
Girl, bye.
It looks like she's about to cut her finger.
Alright guys, so what we're going to start off with is just putting olive oil at the bottom of the pot. And we're going to start about caramelizing the onions and putting in the garlic. So, Carly, put in the onions.
Alright guys, so now we
Gonna add the barbecue sauce. So just pour the sauce. You gonna show them what barbecue sauce you're using?
Oh yeah.
You can do it. There you go. And you can pick honestly whatever barbecue sauce you want. This is just one of my favorite barbecue sauces, so I picked it. So put it in there.
That is done. The meat is done. Right now we're about to make some fries. So we will be back
To show you guys how to put it all together.
Yep. Alright guys, so yep, this is the finishing product. So I'm going to show you how to make it. And
Make what?
make the I forgot how to I forgot what it was.
The jackfruit pulled pork sandwich.
Yeah, that. So the first thing you do is you add like some lettuce.
You want to add lettuce. It doesn't matter what kind of lettuce. Right now, I'm just using baby arugula.
Don't add well, you can add a lot. We have like little subs, but you don't have to use little subs. You can use like, yeah, you can use anything.
Talk louder.
Yeah, you can use anything else. Okay. Anyways, yeah. You can, but if you have extras, you can save some extra dinner or leftovers, I guess. And then once you add your
Jackfruit.
base, yeah,
That's all you want on
base.
there? That's for you. A little more.
An onion. I love onions, and then I think I add the jalapeno.
We'll add the cabbage.
Oh, we have some red cabbage.
And then you put like a splash of lime juice, a dash of salt, and a pinch of cumin.
Just a pinch. I'm not gonna add a lot.
It's gonna give it a little extra punch to your sandwich.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2
You gonna add
jalapenos.
that big one? I mean, go ahead, man. That's it. Do your boo.
And then you're done.
Want to do a little bit more
Well,
barbecue sauce on
yeah.
it? You want to put a little bit jackfruit or anything? Or your sandwich looking skinny.
I wanna add a little bit.
Alright.
Okay. That first place barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add some more of this base. Right. And then I'll try.
You gonna try it on camera?
I guess so.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh, it's very thick. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
What do you think? Alright guys, and just like that, that is the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Again, this is Jocelyn Chanel and my beautiful co-host, Carly. Come on, man. Come on. Jeez. She's like, I can't wait to eat. We done shot this like 10 times.
Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Stay safe. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace.